Hey guys, Greg here with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today it's going to be a little different. Now that I kind of have everything in my grow tent, I kind of wanted just to show everybody what's going on here and where everything's living over the winter. Specifically, the stuff that's staying inside and just kind of needing that sun every day. So we're just going to start out. This is my grow tent. I have it in an extra room in my house. I've got a pretty strong light overhead, and to the right, I've got two other lights, one on each shelf that runs during the day and kind of gives everything kind of enough light. This one kind of supplements this big guy in the center here. But I can go over more details if you guys are interested in what I have growing in my, or what I have in my tent specifically, especially the light source here and the light sources over here. I can go over that in another video, just so that you guys can understand a little bit more of the back end stuff. I'm just showing what I have in the tent right now. I'll make a separate video for that because I know I'll have some questions on that, and I have no problem answering that. If you do have specific questions about what I have in this tent, though, I will go over it in a follow-up video and go from there. So just put them down below and just think about them while I'm going over what I have in the tent here. So on the left, we'll zoom in. I have my pomegranates that I've been showcasing on the channel recently. This guy is pomegranate A, and then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all of them down here, and they've all grown in separate stages. We can see where the bigger ones are right now, and the guys down below are a little smaller. I do have a little bit of pomegranates down on the right here as well, which seem to be thriving pretty well underneath that other grow light. I've got two azaleas. So you might remember I made an azalea video, and this is kind of like a catch-all right now. I plan on cleaning this out, but just for leaves that have been dropping since they changed over. But I had an azalea video that I had of two plants together. I didn't know that until I split it up. I decided to split it up, so I have two azalea plants, and I did trim them. They've been separated for about a month now, so I'm going to do an updated video here eventually, but I did trim them about after a month now that they've been sitting in these separate pots. So that is my azaleas. No flowers on them, but they won't be flowering for a while anyway, but you can kind of see all the buds. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. All the buds forming on these azaleas. So it's kind of cool to see them all kind of coming together. And then I've got my mango trees. I actually just put this big guy in here. He's been sitting in my garage under a light, and I finally made enough room to put the mango tree in here. And there's my other mango tree, the three-fer. And these are doing all right. You can see the next layer of this mango tree, how big the leaves are, and how big it is just all together. And then behind that, I've got tall lemon tree. I've got my short and stout lemon tree, the one that I think is really doing well. And then I've got my other lemon tree here that's still in the smaller pot, but growing pretty tall, even with that condensed space. I will probably be, over the winter here, putting that in a #1 pot just to give it a little bit more room. Same thing with these guys here, this lemon tree and the two lemon trees in the back. They just need a little bit of space. So I'll probably be putting them in a little bit bigger pots here very soon just to kind of give them a little bit more room. And I should really be doing that with these guys as well, just because they're getting a little bit bigger. I'm not sure. These guys may need just a little bit of time to get used to everything here, but they're doing pretty well. And then over on the side here, I have my bougainvillea. No flowers on it right now. I've got my Australian bottle tree, and I've got some ficus cuttings, my Fukian tea leaf tree, and a ficus in the back there. And then I've got a nice cactus and some more cacti that have been growing from seed. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please make sure to let me know. But this is just where they're going to be living from now on, for at least for the winter. So make sure if you like this, hit the like button down below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please make sure to put them down in the comment area down below, like I said. And if you really did like what you saw, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, and you can get any kind of notification of when I put a video in. But until next time, this is just a short video, just going to give you an update of what's going on and what I'm doing. So until next time, guys, take care. Thanks.